Hello everyone, welcome back to David at Go To Hobbies. Right, this video is going to be in a new playlist and it's going to be in, got to think of a name now, nature. We're going to have a new playlist called Nature, and I'm going to give you my opinion on the bird population in the UK. I used to wake up in summertime, you can guarantee you could hear a blackbird singing in the back garden somewhere. When it was the last time you actually heard a blackbird singing in your back garden? I can't remember when. This year, I don't think I've had one. So what does this tell us? It tells us there is less birds about. It tells us that something is seriously wrong with our ecosystem, our environment, and the bird population. And you think to yourself, why? What is happening? It's a secret that is not talked about. It's a hidden agenda, because I think government does know, because they got specialists advising them, and I think it's been covered up. And I think the people that are in power just turn a blind eye to it. I'm afraid it's going to affect all of us. It's going to bite us in the backside, because birds are a part of the food chain. What birds eat and what birds do. They are well and truly overlooked, but they play a very important part in the environment. So the fly population has decreased 60%, they're saying, in 20 years. So if the flies have decreased, what are the birds going to feed on? So there's less food for the birds to eat. So what's going to happen? Birds are going to starve to death. There's not enough food to go around to continue the bird population. So what's going to happen? You're going to have less birds. You're going to have less insects, so the birds can't feed. I'm not kidding you, this is so worrying, and it has been well overlooked, not talked about, and you think to yourself, why? Why is the insect population so bad? Why is the birds dying and not having enough birds in the UK? What do you think? Do you know the answers? I've only got part of the answers. I think it's because of deforestation, changes to the environment, global warming, and if I dare say you've noticed it, summertime is not summertime anymore. Our seasons are all over the place. Winters have got warmer, summers have got hotter, rains have got heavier, and it's totally and utterly screwed up. I'll be interested in your point of view. to what you think about what's happening with the bird and insect population. Please leave a comment below, and if you're interested in knowing more, please subscribe to the channel and please give us a thumbs up. Always very grateful. Until the next time, bye for now. Take care.